Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Editing Basic. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to add quiz in Canva. For that, first you have to open browser. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com. After opening the Canva website, you can see Create a Design option on the top right corner. Click on it, choose any of the desired template. Now after that, to add a quiz in Canva, you have to edit all the elements manually. So first here I am changing the background color. Here I am choosing this one. After that, click on this text and add a text box. Now here type in the question. After that, you can go to Elements and here search by the clock icon. Now click on Graphics and you can choose any of these elements as you desire. Now after that, if you right click on this page 1, then you can see this duplicate page option. Click on it and it will create a new page. Now to add options, click on Elements and here you can see the Shapes option. Click on See All. Now choose this one. After that, type in your outline. Now following this same steps, add all the two options, or you can right click and create a duplicate. Now after that, right click on this page tool and duplicate this page again. And on this final page, select the correct answer and on this button, change its color to green or any other color that you like. Now change the duration of each page. Now if you click on this button, then here you can see that first it will ask the question, after that it will show the options, and finally on the last it will show the correct answer. Following the simple step, you can now easily create a quiz in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.